Hey, what's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me the Fish Effect Trading Community. We're back with another live supply and demand market analysis, taking a look at crypto, energies, forex, metals, and stocks. You guys go ahead and drop in the comments or the chat rather what pair you would like for me to analyze for you guys this beautiful Thursday morning here, July 28th, 2022. So log in here. Let's take a look. Let's see. SPX has been moving up quite rapidly towards our institutional distribution zone here. Has some unmitigated 4-hour supply. These smaller green zones were 5-minute demand. I'll leave them on. Hey David, what's going on, my brother? You want a short GU? Let's take a look at that real quick. GU earlier in the week kind of gave me this area it came into, and I actually lost, well, not lost, but I missed rather. I missed the entry for it. Let me see, where is it? Back here. I was looking to take 2 positions, but it never came back to tag me in, so it may come a little later. All right, but let's take a look here. For me, I typically wait for I like to trade off of 4-hour zones, 4-hour POIs, AOIs, whatever you guys want to call it. So there is a unmitigated 4-hour zone that I have here inside of this institutional distribution. I would feel more comfortable waiting for it to come into here and look for my sell side confirmation. So we are it did come into this already mitigated 4-hour zone here, and we're kind of getting got a response for it. All right, you guys just got to be careful because even though here on the 4-hour we did get a bearish engulfing, which, you know, in the past I would have definitely used that as a sell side signal, but you can see where we have a decent size sell side wick, and then immediately followed up by this counter, which is currently going bullish. So yeah, I mean, that probably would have worked for a quick scalp on that, but like I said, it was mitigated back here, and I typically like to trade off of unmitigated zones, but as soon as it was created, this candle here started here, and it ended up pulling back into it, so it did mitigate it. And again, you can take trades off of mitigated zones, but for me, I like to trade off of unmitigated zones, and you know, take my trades from there. So it was mitigated. I didn't have it listed, but we'll put it there. David, how do you typically enter into your trades? We may have an opportunity here if we drop down to the 15-minute, or maybe even the 5-minute rather, see if we have any unmitigated supply. Let's see. So yeah, I mean, we do have unmitigated supply here, and mitigated supply here. So for instance, let's say you know, let's say if we were to come off of any of these, let's do the mitigated first. I mean unmitigated. So I would probably do something like this. For the extra 5 pips. Take partials at imbalance, and maybe be looking to take a full trade here, which will be a 12-to-1. So be risking about 5 to 6 pips to gain 68 if it came down there. But this would be the setup that I would look for on this one, and the next one would be say the mitigated zone. It's already been mitigated, so maybe I would come here right at the entry, preferably. That would be my preference, and I would just go ahead and take that entire high, throw an extra 5 pips onto it. All right, and again, ultimately looking to try to come down this way. So that would be a 4-to-1, risking 18 pips to gain 74. I think it's likely. May not be likely to come all the way down to sweep these lows, but I do think it's likely. Let me just see. GU. So that's what I would be looking for as far as taking sales or taking shorts on GU right now at this time. Right there, so you're using 15-minute. Okay. Trading off of daily zones. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you may be able to get a quick scalp off of that. I mean, I don't know if you're maybe looking at, I mean, if you're looking at, let's see here. Oops. If you're looking at, I mean, it's two zones that I see here. You got this one, all right, which, let's make sure. Yeah, it's been removed. It was removed yet with yesterday's candle, all right. And then we also have this supply right here that was removed with today's candle. So this could just be a liquidity sweep, but even here on the daily, there's still imbalance that the market could possibly go up to before pushing down. So, but yeah, I mean, I think you possibly can get like a quick scalp out of it. Probably wouldn't be something that I'll be trying to hold long term, but hey, yeah, I mean, hey, if the market gives it to you, my brother, go ahead and get it, and once you get to a comfortable spot, make sure you move those stops to break even, so yeah, it looks good. Before this 15-minute candle, if this 15-minute candle does not close below this previous bullish candle, I would not, just me personally, I would not jump in the trade. But that doesn't mean that it won't work out for you. All right, that's just me personally. And even with these examples, I'm always looking for my trade confirmations. Like, I'm always looking for trade confirmations. I don't just get in just to get in, but I have to have my trade confirmations, and sometimes it causes me to miss trades, like I showed you previously. I was looking for GU to come back to a particular price point or a particular price action, and it didn't, so I missed out on that trade on GU. But I had some other good trades this week on AU and SPX 500, but GU, I missed out on it. You're looking for a close below one spot, 21543. Let's see where that is. Drop that on there. Okay. So you're looking for your price points to be broken and not necessarily the price action. Is that correct? See, David, if I was coming off of a if I had a lower time frame area of interest right here that I was coming off of, and this candle closes below the candle that tapped into that area of interest, I would feel more confident to take the trade. And then even if I did take the trade, I would only possibly try to take the trade down to these lows and just maybe get like a quick scalp. So let's say, for instance, let's see, hopefully I can do this without cluttering up the chart. Let's say, for instance, it closes here. I would come here. This is normally how I would do it. Let's see. I wouldn't give that 5 pips. I would go maybe like 2 pips. Add 2 pips to it. So yeah, you're looking at a little bit over a 1-to-1. So yeah, that's how I would. That's me personally. That's how I would take that trade. Okay, yeah, I see your point there, David. I see your point there. Well, I understand your point. I don't know. I mean, are you? Yes, we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. I see. Yeah, I'll just say, our trading styles are different. I'm strictly supply and demand, my brother, and for me, like we're coming off of a institutional, accumulation. So yeah, I mean, it could just be a pullback to push back through this. Let me take a look at something else as well. Yeah, nah, based on my analysis, David, I think G is gonna go higher. I think it's gonna be going higher for an extended period of time. But that's my opinion. You can teach me something. So I have your price point here. We got about 50 seconds left. I have your price point right here, so I'm gonna take this off. And so again, we're looking for it to hold below 1.21543. Let's see. So as long as it's below that price point, if I'm not mistaken, then we should take that sell. So let me see here. Get ready. All right, David. So if I'm not mistaken, you're inside. You should be in the trade right now. Where are you going? Where's your stop? I don't know. Where should we put the stop at? It's looking nice, David. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna assume that maybe you're, you know, a couple of pips above the previous candle. So maybe add 2 pips to that. It's looking good so far, my man. Again, we are coming out of institutional distribution, so I bet if we throw a fib on it, let's see. From this high to this low. Got a 61.8 entry, so let's see. All right, looking good so far, David. So I see you're probably coming off, you saw there was some resistance right here that you're coming off of. So looking good so far, David. See, we are, see, so you should be about 8 pips, almost 9 pips in profit. So you're looking good, man. Depending on your account size, I think you're good for the day, right? You should be good for the day. See how this trade plays out. Again, where's the take profit at? Are you holding it for today? Let's see. Yeah, see, for me, again, it did not close below that previous candle, so, but we'll see. Take this fib off. Smart man. That's a good point, David. I was thinking, uh, you were saying, you back out just so you don't get spooked by it. So your stop is at 1.21702. So you're giving it a little room to breathe. Nice. Yeah, I would have been looking for price to come into this 1 hour. Like if I look at the 1 hour, I've been looking for price to come into this 1 hour uh, supply for me to take a trade. But it's awesome, man. I like the way you drilled down to the lower time frame. You had your execution, and it seems to be working, man. That's awesome. Yeah, that's what I got you at right here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, it is doing very well.